Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have completed 19 sums. Now, 20th sum. If a not equal to 0 and the line on the line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d equal to 0 passes through the points of intersection of the parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. Then so what is the problem? If a not equal to 0, the line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d equal to 0 passes through the points of intersection of the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Then now take the diagram. This is the diagram of y square is equal to 4ax and this is x square is equal to 4ay and the point, this is the point, this is the line of intersection. Okay, if a not equal to 0, the line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d equal to 0 passes through the points of intersection of the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay and x square equal to 4ay. Then okay, this is y square is equal to 4ax, this is x square is equal to 4ay. These are the points of intersection. Now y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Then y equal to x square by 4a. X square, y square is equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Then y equal to x square by 4a. Now substitute. Here y equal to x square by 4a whole square equal to 4ax, x power 4 by 16a square equal to 4ax. Then x power 4 equal to 64a cube x. Then x power 4 minus 64a cube x and then x common, x minus 64 x cube minus 64 a cube equal to 0. We know that a b equal to 0, we can say that a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. So here a x equal to 0 and x cube minus 64 a cube equal to 0. Then x equal to 4a. X equal to 4a. Why? Because x cube equal to 64 a cube. X cube equal to 4a whole cube. That means x equal to 4a. x equal to 4a. Now if x equal to 0, then y is also 0. Y equal to 0 square by 4a. 0 by everything 0. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. X equal to, if x equal to 4a, then y equal to 4a. Now we got 0, 0, 4a, 4a. The points of intersection, 0, 0, 4a, 4a. So this is 0, 0. This is 4a, 4a. Now we got the 2 points 0, 0, 4a, 4a. Now what is the line equation? 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d equal to 0. Now substitute in the equation. What is the line equation? Line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d equal to 0. Okay, substitute. Substitute 0, 0. This is equation 1. In equation 1, then 0 plus 4d equal to 0. Then 4d equal to 0. D equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now substitute 4a, 4a in equation 1. So 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d equal to 0. 2b into 4a plus 3c into 4a plus 4d equal to 0. 4d means 0. 8ab plus 12ac equal to 0. 4 is the common one, or the equation should be divisible by 4, or 2ab plus 3ac equal to 0. 2ab plus 3ac equal to 0. 2ab. So a is the common one. 2b plus 3c equal to 0. Here what is the condition? A into 2b plus 3c equal to 0. But what is the condition? A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. If ab equal to 0, if a equal to 0, or if b equal to 0. So if a equal to 0, ab equal to 0. If b equal to 0, ab equal to 0. So here what is the condition? A not equal to 0. Then the compulsory 2b plus 3c equal to 0. 2b plus 3c equal to 0. This is equation 4. Equation 3. Equation 3. We got equation 2 and 3. So by squaring and adding of 2 and 3 equations, is the second equation? D equal to 0. What is the third equation? 2b plus 3c equal to 0. That means d square plus 2b plus 3c whole square equal to 0. So by squaring and adding of 2 and 3 equations, so we got d square plus 2b plus 3c whole square equal to 0. So we got the answer. So if a not equal to 0, the line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4 equal to 0 passes through the points of intersection of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. Then we got the point of intersections 0, 0, 4a, 4a. So after substituting 0, 0, we got g equal to 0. After substituting 4a, 4a, we got the equation 2b plus 3c equal to 0. What is the condition here? A not equal to 0. That's why ab plus 3c equal to 0. By squaring and adding up second and third equation, we got d square plus 2b plus 3c whole square. Now, next concept, the parametric equations of parabola. The parametric equation. Parametric equation of parabola. The parametric points of any curve which describes the parametric points of any curve describes the coordinate points of the coordinate points of the curve. Coordinate points of the curve in single variable. Okay, the parametric points of any curve describe the coordinate points of the curve in single variable. For example, this is the diagram. These are the points P and Q, and x equal to at square, y equal to 2at. X equal to at square, y equal to 2at. This is the, what is the parabola? This is y square equal to 4ax. Okay, now take y square equal to 4ax, y value 280 whole square equal to 4a into 80 square. That means 4a t square equal to 4a t square. So x is equal to 80 square, y equal to 280. By taking x is equal to 80 square and y equal to 280, y square equal to 4a is satisfied. So the parametric points of any curve describe the coordinate points of the curve in single variable. So x is expressed 80 square, y is expressed 280. So the parametric points of any curve should satisfy the Cartesian coordinates of the points of any curve. So this is x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. x is equal to 80 square, y equal to 280. Next point, the parametric points of any curve should satisfy the coordinates Cartesian curve. So P x comma y equal to a t1 square comma 2a t1 q x1 x2 y2 equal to a t2 square comma 2a t2. The parametric points of any curve describe the coordinate points of curve in single variable x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. The parametric points of any curve should satisfy the coordinate points of Cartesian curve or the Cartesian coordinates of the curve. So P x1 y1 81 square 2a t1 q x2 y2 is equal to a t2 square ta t2. If a t square 2a t is expressed by t. So this is t1, this is t2. A t1 square comma 2a t1 expressed by t1, a t2 square comma 2a t2 is expressed by t2. So if t1 equal to t2, if t1 equal to t2, a t1 square comma 2a t1 equal to a t2 square comma 2a t2 equal to, if t1 equal to t2, then if t1 equal to t2, the curve becomes tangent. This is t1 t2. If it is this is tangent, this is tangent. If t1 equal to t2, the curve becomes tangent, and if t approaches to t2, the curve, this means curve p q. If t1 approaches to t2, the curve becomes tangent. So the parametric equations of parabola is x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280. The parametric equation of parabola is x is equal to 80 square and y equal to 280. Keep in brackets. Okay. Okay, students. Next concepts learn by tomorrow.